In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Slack AI in just 5 minutes. Enabling Slack's AI features can enhance your productivity and help streamline your workflows by automating routine tasks and providing smart suggestions. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to visit Slack's main page for AI work management and productivity tools. Head over to your web browser and type in the URL for Slack. Once you're there, ensure that you are on the relevant page dedicated to AI and productivity integrations. Familiarize yourself with the features available so you have a better understanding of how they can benefit you and your team. After that, you'll be signing into Slack using your Google account, which is a straightforward and secure method. Click on the Sign in with Google button. This method ensures a smooth login process since it automatically links your Google credentials, saving you the hassle of remembering another password. Make sure you're using the account associated with your workspace for seamless integration. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is where most of your interactions and collaborations happen. Take a moment to look around and ensure everything is set up correctly. It's crucial to have a clear and organized dashboard since it will be your main hub for accessing Slack AI and other tools you may integrate in the future. The next step involves taking advantage of any available promotions. Look for an option that reads "Get 50% off Slack Pro." Clicking on this can provide you with savings as you access premium features, including powerful AI capabilities. This offer might not always be available, so it's worth considering if you're looking to upgrade and make good use of the enhanced toolset Slack AI offers. Once you've explored the promotional options, it's time to choose the plan that best suits your team's needs. Slack AI is only available on select paid plans, so you'll need to click on the link that guides you to choose the right plan for your team. It's vital to assess the options carefully, consider the specific features you require, and how they align with your team's goals. This decision will determine the level of AI support you'll receive, so be sure your chosen plan includes Slack AI. There you have it, a quick and concise guide to enabling Slack AI. By following these steps, you can ensure that your team is equipped with the latest AI tools to boost productivity and collaboration. Remember to explore the AI features once activated and take full advantage of what they have to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.